Today I will show you how to make dried flowers from roses. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's not bad at all, huh? It looks pretty fresh. Oh, it smells so good. 今天我们来参照小红书上面的朋友所讲的做永生花的步骤，我们来试试看怎么把这些黄色的玫瑰做成永远保存的玫瑰。来，我们开始吧。把水倒掉。先要把大部分的叶子给剪掉。现在用拔的比较快。尽量把叶子都弄掉，按照它的做法，这样的话比较容易干。这根没什么叶子，所以用手就可以剥掉了。OK， 我们整把都处理好了，现在准备开烤箱。烤箱调成 bake， 然后温度调210，然后我们给它开始。OK， 然后就开始把那个花放上去。第一次做，大不了下次再改良。说是不是啊？OK， 把那关烤箱，关烤箱让它烤1个小时。这些就第一个吧。Set alarm for 1 hour. Come back. It's been about 40 minutes. Let's take a look at it. It's a little bit dry, not that dry. It's about 1 hour and 10 minutes now. Look at that. It feels pretty dry. Maybe it's good. You can take one out and take a look. Take one out. Oh, it's leaky. Whoa, I should have changed the way I dry them so they don't limp down. Okay, I just took one out and it's very crispy and dry. I'm turning off now. I think based on the guide that I saw, I need to take them out and then maybe hang them backward so they can become straight, especially the flower and the stick underneath. Still a little bit soft. I can still turn it a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty dry, so let me try to hang on to them and let them hang upside down. You can see here, there's a small bend, but you can try to fix it. Cool. As you can see, there is still a couple, one of them stand really straight up. It's very different. Oops, this one's too dry. And it fell off the stem. Oopsie. Wow, look at that. I clean up every single one of them and it smells really good. And to be honest, it looks much better than I expected. Even though this is my first time doing it, I think it turned out okay. Yeah, what do you guys think? It's not bad at all, huh? It looks pretty fresh. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. These might still not be dry, so you want to hand them upside down, kind of like this. So you can use a string, kind of like this, or you can find a hook and hook the flower onto this wall mount. Yeah, so you can use a string and just tie a small knot. Then you can hang it here. Just like that. That's it. See you guys next time.